Dhaanto, arguably Somalia's greatest cultural export. Translated to English, it means better than others. Dhaanto refers to both a dance style and a genre of Somali music. As a dance style, it involves the movement of hands, shoulders, legs, and even the head in a rhythmic fashion. As a genre of music, it refers to a style that bears a striking resemblance to reggae. In fact, there is a raging debate that is yet to be resolved about the origins of Dhaanto. Did Dhaanto steal from reggae, or did reggae steal from Dhaanto? If you ask Somalis, they will tell you that when they came up with Dhaanto, they were not listening to reggae. So the argument that they're making here is the two genres developed independently, or if there's a genre that stole from the other, it has to be reggae that stole from Dhaanto. I was reading an article on the BBC website, and they are referring to Dhaanto as Somali reggae. The members of the Ogaden clan, one of the largest clans among the Somalis, are credited with coming up with this genre of music. They'll use Dhaanto to encourage themselves during war, to comfort themselves during hard times. The Ogaden, they have a reputation for great music. They are inimitable, accomplished poets. Among the most prominent contemporary practitioners or exponents of this genre include Ali Dhaanto, we have Ahmed Budul that I really love, we have Mahadin Shahid, whose music is playing behind me and whose discography I really love. We have Abwan Diriye, we have Abduweli Hassan.
شرف لي برتما جكي ذكنا وطي بهلوية